lovely people, welcome back to Queen T's TV. Today we are going to be cooking pepper soup. Oh my god, I love this dish. And here we have plantains, and it's not just pepper soup, but it's pepper soup goat meat. Here we have goat meat, spices used. We have onions, we have black pepper, we have thyme, we have white pepper, we have rosemary. I really love rosemary. We have ginger, and we have garlics. We have habanero pepper. That's a normal pepper. We have junction.
It's 8 hours.
We have spring onions, and we have tomato.
So fast, all tied up like a captive. I want you. Used to pay my life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I know my patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger.
Once the goat meat is cooked, you take it out from the broth. You separate them because you're going to use the broth as the water for the pepper soup goat meat. And normally goat meat takes a longer period of time to get cooked, unlike chicken. And so it like just like cow meat, it takes a longer period of time to get cooked. So you need to make sure that the goat meat is well cooked. Yeah, then you can now separate it from the broth and you use it as your water for your pepper soup. It adds an additional flavor.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by.
Now that your goat meat has been separated from the broth, you get your pot, you put some oil inside, let it warm up a little bit, then you get your onions, dice them, and then you put them in the pot till it's a little bit brown. Once your diced onions are golden brown, you can now add in your ground spices, all the spices which we mentioned at the beginning of this video. You add them now into the pot, and it's like you just rinse, just adding a little bit of water in the container where the spices were found. Just rinse it off and then pour it back into the pot. Now adding all the broth without any additional water, just the broth. That's just what is going to be used for the pepper soup. So basically, when boiling the goat meat, you make sure you have enough water which you would like to use for your pepper soup. Now adding your plantains, adding all the plantains, and then add some maggi and salt for taste. So that depends on preference. So I couldn't say put one maggi, put two maggi, put three Maggi's or so. Yeah, that depends on your taste. So you're adding your maggi and your salt. Then you allow it to simmer for some time before adding in your goat meat. So you allow your pot of plantains to simmer for some time before adding it your goat meat.
And I'll be running, possessed by a long, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on the full moon. And we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Play me like a bass guitar, simmer down and mess me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drive me around in your red Ford, shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me.
Thanks guys for watching, and I hope you love this video. Make some delicious pepper soup at home and leave your comments below. Let me know if you like this. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe. It's just below. You just need to click subscribe very free and very easy. See you guys in my next video. Love you all. You can watch my previous video over here. Just click on this and it takes you to my previous video directly. Thank you guys. Ciao.